Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to show you what I got in my Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a monthly makeup subscription for $21. If you're wanting to sign up, I do have a referral link down below that you're more than welcome to use. So let's see what I got for the month of December. Okay, so it is the Sea Sun. Cute. So I got that. Some limited warranty. And then oh, so I must have got the straightener, but of course Boxycharm doesn't know that I have naturally curly hair. So I'll go through the other stuff. So we have Pretty Vulgar, and this is the Powder Room Matte About It. It's a translucent setting powder. Okay, I do have oily skin, so that should work. Next I have a lip pencil. Let me see if I can get that focus. It is Bodyography in Timber. It's a lip pencil. That's a pretty color. Next we have from Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint, and in the color Strike Gold. So let's open that. So this is how that guy looks like. So here is a swatch of the lip pencil and the shimmering lip paint. The lip paint is super pretty. It would be a nice topper. I like that. Alright, next we have Cosmetics, a Detox and Activated Charcoal Mask. Okay, I love masks, so that'll be nice. And the last product I got, it is the hair straightener. And this is from PYT. It's a Girls World. Let me see. Yeah, PYT. It is a mini hair straightener. And it came in this aqua blue color. So again, Boxycharm does not know that I have naturally curly hair. So I'm just gonna save that. And I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with it. So I'm pretty happy with what I got. You know, of course, Boxycharm doesn't know that I have curly hair. So it is the holidays, so I probably will just give it to one of my family members or something. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.